Hello, everybody, boys and girls, childrens of all ages. Eli the Barber coming right at ya, talking to you about a warranty review that I experienced myself with the Gamma company. So I purchased this Gamma Ergo and it was working perfect at the beginning. And then when it was time to change the blade, it just wasn't the same clipper anymore. It started snagging, it started pulling people's hair, it started slowing me down more and more. It just wasn't the same. So I sent it back to the warranty department of the Gamma company, and they sent it back to me with the original blade. They installed the original blade, and they sent me back the blade that I had installed on the Gamma. They didn't explain to me what was wrong with the clipper. They did send me back the little note that I gave them. And all the note is saying is that what was wrong with the clipper, me explaining to them what's the problem that is giving me. But check this out. They didn't just fix my clipper, they polished it, they cleaned it, they opened it apart, they installed a brand new original blade back on the Gamma. Look at that, there's no hair in there. It's all clean. All clean. I like it. These people, they show me how serious they are about their warranty. They really working hard, and they deserve a second chance. Okay? They're working really hard, trying to make it through on the barber community. There's a lot of good brands in the barber community. I'm not gonna name them because this video is about Gamma, but Gamma is really trying hard. They are about the customer service. They will double check and make sure that you are happy with them. They went through everything that the letter was saying. My Gamma is working fine, it's working good, it's not snagging anymore. I'm very happy with these people. Hey, I guess I'm gonna have to keep the, I don't know, maybe the Gamma Ergo is a type of clipper that doesn't have to be modified, only works with its original blade. I know there's a lot of barbers, a lot of videos on YouTube modifying the Gamma Ergo, and they seem to be happy with it. I'm just talking based on my experience. Looks like it didn't work for me. So I'm sticking to the original blade. It's giving me a great performance. I'm happy with it. It's giving me a great performance with the original blade. So I'm just gonna leave it the way it is. Please leave a comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. Eli the Barber coming right at you. Thank you.